Hello everyone and happy Canada Day. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a look at my Pandora Canada themed bracelet. You might remember this bracelet from a previous video I filmed back in 2020, along with some Own Beats themed Canada Day designs. I thought it'd be fun to show this bracelet again and get your guys' ideas of what other charms to add to this bracelet because it's been 2 years and I haven't actually added any new pieces to it, so I'd love to know what you guys think. I'm also going to be sharing a Canada themed necklace that my pretty charm life Nicole got for me last year. I absolutely love it. So if you're ready for today's video, make sure to grab a delicious beverage and let's get started with today's video. So here's an overview of my bracelet design. I love how this looks. I definitely have a lot of pops of red and white for the Canada flag colors. One thing that's different about this bracelet is I actually changed the bracelet itself. So originally I had a heart-shaped bracelet on and I have since updated this design to the Pandora Moments Family Tree Heart Clasp Snake Chain Bracelet, and I believe I ordered the size 18 centimeter for this one, and it's so beautiful. I love how it says family on the back and the beautiful tree detail at the front. Now moving along, we have the Canadian flag, and this is called the Canadian Flag Heart Dangle Charm. It says Canada on the back and has a beautiful maple leaf detail on the front. Love the pops of red enamel. Now I also have some symmetry to it. So I have the Sparkling Leaves charms. I have 2 of these. I just think they're so perfect. Actually, I think I have 4 of these total in my collection. I just think they're so detailed and pretty. Now I also have 2 of the Pandora Pave Heart Clip charms because I absolutely love Canada. Love how they catch the light with the cubic zirconia detailing. Speaking of symmetry, I also have 2 of the Canadian Maple Leaf charms. I love these. I originally only had purchased one. I think it was one of my first Canada themed charms that I got. And then a couple years back, I decided to get a second one. I just love it. It's so pretty with that little ruby cubic zirconia accent. Now here on the screen, you are seeing the Pandora Canada Mittens Dangle Charm. This reminds me of going back to the Olympics, like I think it was over 10 years ago. They were in Vancouver and I had so much fun. It was so beautiful. I also have here the Folklore Charm, which I think is so beautiful. I love the different colors to this. You have the reds, the greens, the blues. Such a beautiful piece. Also on here, I have the Pandora Grains Heart Charm, which I absolutely love. This came out in an autumn collection. I actually love the whole collection of this. It was so beautifully done. Also beside it, I have the Vancouver Dangle Charm. I love how you can see the mountains and the city in it. And then the details on the back, it just says Pandora on the back. The Mittens, by the way, is plain on the back. So here's a quick little look so you guys can kind of see. Also new on this bracelet is the Canada Moose Maple Leaf Charm. He is so cute. He's wearing like this cute little sweater, or maybe it's a shirt with the maple leaf on the back. Beautiful red enamel detailing, his cute little heart print feet. I do believe I featured him in a haul video. I'm just blanking on which one. If you want to see more detail, I'll try to see if I can find it and I'll leave a link up above the screen right now. But I love his antlers. I love his little face and his expression. He is just so adorable and cute. Also on here, I have the Inuksuk Dangle. I love this. I love the cubic zirconia on the bail detail. It's plain on the back, so there's no details, so you could get it engraved if you wanted to. I always love those ideas. I love how you can personalize a charm for a special memory. Also on this bracelet, I have the Raindrops charm, which was a beautiful surprise gift from my dear friend Alina, and it reminds me of the city I live in, but also the UK, where my dad is from, so I have a little bit of my family heritage on here, but I love this. It totally makes me think of the city I live in too, and I love rainy days. There's just something really special about them. Also on here, I have the red ladybug Murano from Pandora. I love seeing ladybugs in the summer and spring, and lately, like this year and last year, I've seen so many ladybugs. I also love the colors because they also make me think of Canada. Beside it, I have the Canada 150 Dangle. This charm was actually available in 3 different colors, 2 other color options, including this one, it's 3. This was my favorite one. I love the red and the white, and it's so pretty. It says Pandora on the back. But anyway, that is a look at the bracelet. As you guys can see, I do have room on here. I need a safety chain. I have some room for a couple more charms. So I'd love to know what you guys think. What else should I add on here? I think the beaver is really cute, but there's a Canada goose. There's a lot of cute ones. So please let me know down below. Here I have the Canada Maple Leaf with little red ruby detail. This is such a pretty necklace. This was a gift from my pretty charm life Nicole, and I love it, you guys. I love being Canadian. So anything Canadian, I love to wear. So this necklace is just so fun to wear. It matches actually the maple leaf charm earlier that I showed you really nicely too, really complements it well. You can adjust the length of this to 3 different lengths. So there's 38 centimeters, 42 centimeters, and 45 centimeters. So it's really nice that you can kind of adjust it to where you want it to go. Here's a little look at it on, and I have it on the longest setting. And I just think it's so pretty, you guys. I love how it's more of an open work maple leaf design. Anyway, that is it for today's video. If you saw any pieces you like, I will have links down below if they're still available. Some of these links will be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge, huge thank you if you do use these links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, happy Canada Day and happy almost 4th of July to my friends in the US. I hope you all over the world have a wonderful weekend. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.